Hello and welcome to this beginner's meditation practice. It is often believed that the goal of meditation is to be in a state of no thoughts. However, achieving a constant state of no thoughts is difficult. The goal of meditation is instead to keep our mind to the present moment. And whenever we notice thoughts arising, gently bringing the mind back to the present moment. It is normal for thoughts to arise. In our practice, we do not fight our thoughts. We simply train the mind to observe that thoughts have arisen and guide the mind back to where we direct it. Let us begin by coming into a seated position. You could sit cross-legged on the floor or on a cushion, or on a chair with your feet placed firmly on the floor. The back is straight and erect. Shoulders relaxed. Chin slightly tucked in. Eyebrows relaxed. Jaw relaxed. Feel comfortable and easy in this position. Throughout this practice, when thoughts arise, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Over and over again, bringing awareness to the breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath, the quality of your breath, noticing if it is short or long, deep or shallow. Observing. And we'll work a bit with our breath now. Doing 3 rounds of deep breathing. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Once more. Deep breath in. Long breath out. And last time. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Stay with your breathing. Stay with the sound of my voice. Notice now your belly rising and falling with the breath. If it feels comfortable, you can even place one hand gently over your belly, consciously expanding your belly as you inhale, and letting your belly sink in with each exhale. Notice the movement in your hand, how the breath feels as it makes its way in and goes out. If a thought comes to distract you, you can label it as a thought, without attaching to it, without giving it any meaning, without analyzing it, and come back to your breath. Come back to the sound of my voice, remembering that our only goal is to keep returning to the present moment, to the here and now, and keeping awareness on the belly, and the breath that fills the belly, and leaves from the belly. Release your hand from your belly, and if it feels comfortable, place one hand gently over your heart. Taking awareness to the breath in the chest, feeling the breath as it makes its way into the chest, expanding the chest, expanding the rib cage, and noticing the breath as it leaves from the chest. Contracting the chest, contracting the rib cage, keeping attention there, following the complete cycle of breath as it makes its way in and out of the chest. Noticing the sensations on the hand, the movement of the breath in the hand, and when you notice thoughts, returning to the breath, returning to the now. Gently releasing your hand from over your heart and taking attention to the sensation of breath around your nostrils. Watching the breath make contact with the nostrils when it comes in and when it leaves. Noticing the breath as it comes in. Noticing the breath as you let it out. Observing and also noticing the temperature of the breath, the coolness of the breath as it enters the nostrils, and the warmth of the breath that leaves the nostrils. Following the complete cycle of breath and noticing the breath, its quality, its nature. Noticing if the breath has changed since we began this practice. How deep or shallow is the breath? How short or long? How even is the breath and from over your heart? If you find yourself thinking, gently bringing back attention to the breath, to the sound of my voice, staying here, in the present, with the breath. Good. You've done so well. As we come to the end of this practice, bring to awareness a person or a situation you would like to send loving energy to, and see the energy of love radiating from your heart towards that person or situation. Wiggle your toes now, and your fingers. Slowly bring yourself back to the room where you are. Bring back awareness to your surroundings. And when you feel ready, slowly and gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this meditation today. May the benefits of this meditation stay with you in your day.